Today we're going to make our Tex-Mex chicken thighs. First we need to clean up our chicken thighs. I like to cut off some of this excess fat. Basically anywhere where there's chunks of fat, I like to just clean it out, up.
I like that you're using scissors for this. I always just use a knife, but that makes it super easy to use kitchen scissors.
If you have a good set of kitchen shears, you can use kitchen shears. If you want to use a knife, you can use a knife. Whatever tools you have in your toolbox. And then if you've got little chunks like that, I just kind of pull these off. I still throw them on the smoker and cook them, but I just cook them by themselves. Try not to cut off any meat, but if you do cut off some meat, it's not the end of the world.
Definitely get the tendons out of there if you see any big chunks of tendons.
Tendons are a bad bite.
Yeah.
Okay, for our seasoning, we're going to use our Tex-Mex seasoning. We're going to make our Tex-Mex seasoning. It is 1 tablespoon of smoked paprika, 2 tablespoons Beet Church Texas chili seasoning, which if you guys don't know is chili powder, salt, garlic, onion powder, and 1 tablespoon of cumin.
If you don't have smoked paprika, can you get regular?
You sure can use regular paprika if you don't have smoked paprika. I'll put it in my container, shake it up a bit, and put it on anything you want to make Tex-Mex. Alright, we got all our chicken thighs racked up, and we will take them out to the smoker. Again, we're doing the 0 to 400 method. We'll start up the Traeger, let the smoke kind of clear. If you guys don't know, pellet grills in general spit out a ton of dirty smoke when you start them up, and you don't want your meat to be in that dirty smoke. So we'll let that dirty smoke clear, and then we'll throw on our thighs and let them go.
Yep.
All right, dirty smoke is cleared. Putting on our chicken thighs, and then we'll cook away.
Okay.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and check our chicken. We are temping about 170, so these are good to pull off. Yeah, looks like they're all pretty close to 170, so we'll take them off now.